Okay, Holden Colorado 2013. All keys lost. Just programmed. So this is July 2013. So we just programmed. And what we're going to do is going to use the Hyundai remote because they wear a lot better and the keyring is a lot better. So let's just try it. Locked. Unlocked. Now these are normally a 2-button remote, so it doesn't matter that it's got the extra button on there. So locked, unlocked, so that's got the extra button, but obviously there is no boot. So let's try it and start the car. So clutch in on these cars, so immobiliser light to go off, and there we have it. All keys lost. Turn that off. Let's just lock it again. Locked. Unlocked. Okay, if you need a keys made or another key to your Holden Colorado, just give us a call. Cheers. Thanks for watching.